name is Amber the Border Collie and I had an adventure in the park today. Hi everyone. I hope you had a great week and enjoyed the lovely weather we've been having. Today, I went for a walk with my parents and it was amazing. As soon as I was let off my leash, I started running around in circles. Later, we went to see the ducks and their ducklings. I can't believe how much they have grown since the last time I saw them. I hope you enjoy watching my adventures. Please share and like. Also, if you find me to be interesting, please subscribe to my channel for more of me. Thank you. Hope you all have a great weekend.
There you are. Where's Mama? There you are. Playing hide and seek, are you? Hide and seek anymore. Hey, you're cheating. You're cheating. Energy out of your ears.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
The duck come back.
No. Beautiful. She was here on the bank. I didn't see her. Sorry. Sorry, ducklings. Amber is sometimes a naughty girl. So I'm naughty.
But did you see she reversed and I want to jump on her?
Yeah. Naughty girl. Hello. She's beautiful. She's beautiful.
Very small.
Yeah, they are. Hear that?
Thank you for watching me having fun.